Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add games to favorite in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application. In case you have not, do it right now. That's quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to add games to favorite. For now, I'm just gonna shift right over to library as my games are there. I'm gonna go to home right now. And guys, this is it. This is the game that I had previously installed. Now let's say I want to add it to favorites. I'm just gonna go to the game right now. And guys, this is it. This is the game's homepage. Well, do note that there are lots of things that you can look around from, but right now all we want to do is make it favorite. Well, it's quite easy. At the right hand side, there is a star-like icon right here that says add to favorites. Simply click on it. And that is it. That's how we add games to favorite in Steam. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.